Every day, you make over 35,000 decisions, most without thinking. But the real problem? You're wasting energy on the wrong ones. This video is about how to make decisions faster using psychology, backed by science, used by CEOs, and easy enough to apply starting today. Here's what most people don't realize. Decision fatigue is real, and it's killing your focus. That's why Steve Jobs wore the same outfit every day, one less choice to make. So let's start with Rule 1. Shrink the menu. The more options you give yourself, the longer you take. It's called the paradox of choice. Limit options up front. Want to eat healthy? Pick 2 go-to meals and rotate. Want to dress faster? Set outfits in advance. Second, use a mental model called the 10-10-10 rule. Ask yourself, how will this decision feel in 10 minutes, 10 months, and 10 years? It removes emotion and adds perspective. You'll know instantly if it's just anxiety or something that actually matters. Next, don't overvalue perfect timing. Psychology shows that people who wait for the perfect moment usually make slower, worse decisions. Done is better than perfect, and most things can be adjusted after you move. Here's a tool Navy SEALs use, the 70% rule. If you have about 70% of the info you need, and the decision feels mostly right, act. Waiting for 100% certainty means you'll move too slow, or not at all. Another tip? Set a timer. Decision timers stop you from looping. Give yourself 5 minutes to choose between options. If it's not a life or death decision, don't treat it like one. Want to know what slows most people down? Overthinking. Your brain's wired to scan for danger. But in modern life, danger looks like, what if I pick the wrong lunch? Cut that wiring. Trust yourself. Most fast decisions are reversible. That's your safety net. Finally, turn routines into systems. Decide once, repeat automatically. Morning routine, grocery lists, budgeting tools. Systems reduce daily decision load and save your brain power for the choices that really count. Here's the truth. Fast decision-making doesn't mean careless. It means confident. It means you stop burning time on what doesn't matter, so you can move quicker toward what does. You don't need more time. You need fewer pointless decisions. Decide once, move fast, live sharper. And if you want more mindset tools like this, follow and reset with us.